Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way to take your gaming up to the next level. Whether you are playing on PC, whether you are Bluetooth connecting to your phone, whether you're playing on the Nintendo Switch, this is going to be set up for you. So this was sent over by Thunderobot, and it is the G80 gaming controller. It's completely wireless. It's going to come with a ton of parts and pieces. So first off, you're going to get a user manual and a quick start guide. We're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. Now you are going to get the controller and a docking station. So let's cover the docking station itself first. It has a nice non-stick, so that way wherever you place it, it's not going to slide around. In this little trap door down here at the bottom, there is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle. So if you do wish to connect it to a PC, for example, or the Switch via the dongle, you can. However, I just use the Bluetooth settings. It works really, really great. You can connect it via the Bluetooth. You can also just use the USB Type-C cable and plug it in that way. Once you do get it, you are going to get a nice long USB cable. So if you do have sitting at your TV and you want to do that, you can. It's up to you. You also can utilize this to charge up the docking station on the back. There is an LED light along the bottom, and you simply can press the button next to the charger, and that's just going to change up and cycle through those different lighting modes. You got, I think, about 5 different modes to go through. Now, the controller itself, very comfortable to hold. It's got a nice texture on the back side. You do have a switch down here. That is going to allow you to change between the different modes. So first off, you're going to have the Bluetooth, then you're going to have the 2.4 gigahertz, then you're going to have the Nintendo Switch, and then you are going to have basically kind of like the wired controller part itself. Now you do have an M1 and an M2 custom buttons here. You're gonna have a little toggle which is gonna allow you to change those from like a long press or a short press. Once again, more customizations. You have another custom buttons here on the front, and then you have your 2 typical standard buttons. This is where you can charge up the controller directly if you don't want to use the dock station, or if you wish to connect this directly to the device, you can put it in right there. Pairing, very, very easy, depending on your device. You can use the buttons or like the little power button. It just depends on which thing you are connecting to. The little kind of joysticks, very, very smooth, very high response. And the nice, cool thing about this is it's going to come with other joystick options. So if you want this a little bit higher, they do include 2 more joystick options. So you can have the higher one or the shorter ones. You can just simply pop those off and change it. But not only that, you're also going to get even more customability. So if you pop off these, they're going to include this little kind of pinch tool, which will allow you to take this off. And you can see there is the little controller panel, and these are different color coded because you're going to have more options to change them out. So you can change them. Now you can't, they're not in pairs. You get 2 more of the kind of like the little white ones here. And this is where the manual comes in because it'll tell you the exact specs on each one. But then you're also going to get more high precision. The black one is the absolutely, if you're playing a shooter game, this is the one you want to use, but you can only use it on one panel. Same thing with the blue one. That is the next precision. So you get even more precision with these, and they're just work absolutely amazing and perfect when it comes to those precise movements. Now, if you want a more smooth kind of little pad here, you can do that. This one has more got the traditional lines on it. But if you want more of a smooth one, you can also swap that out itself, which is really, really great. Now, as you saw, I took off the little faceplate here. This one just has a little pattern to it, but they also include a just straight up black one. So if you don't want any pattern, you can just slide this on here yourself, and then you don't have that pattern itself. It also, another thing to note, if you do play like on the Nintendo Switch versus the standard controllers, the A, B, and the X, Y are switched. So those are different versus the Nintendo, so you have to get a little used to the playing style. However, if you want to use the Key Linker app, you can custom change all these buttons. Also, like I said, it's got those extra mapping buttons. You can affect those too. So you've got the little kind of aspects to them that you can change. Like even you have a little button down here, the little hunt button. So you can kind of set up special moves to make your gameplay even better. As far as battery life, this thing has a 600 mAh battery, depending on the rumble features that you're using, because this does have some great rumble effects on it. It has a quad motor, so it really feels that fine tune. So if you're like getting shot to the left or to the right, you can feel that with the motion. You're gonna get about 7 to 8 hours of gameplay on a single charge of this, which is a great long gameplay. I typically just charge it after every playing, so I never have a problem when it comes to that. It also has the 6-axis geo motion controls, so if you do like playing with motion, especially like with racing games and whatnot, you can utilize that feature if you wish. But like I said, it is a very sensitive, fully controllable joystick. If you're looking for a great gameplay joystick that allows you to custom change out the little joysticks, this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.